Okay, I was asked to do a tutorial on my eyebrows. So usually pluck any little hairs that I have here just to maintain them since we quarantine, you know what I mean? I use the NYX eyebrow pencil, NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the color Black. You basically don't want to overdraw them or like make them super thick. You want to make them look natural as possible. And so I just basically go with the shape that I already have on my face. So also try not to press down too hard on the pencil just because I don't like my eyebrows that dark, honestly, and like I said, make them look natural as possible. Just go in and I fill in all like the bald spots like here. Here I don't usually fill in too much. I just brush this line up so that it goes up into the brow. And yeah. Brush them out as you kind of go, just so you know where your hairs fall and like line up with, just to see if like you need to like fill in some certain spots or you need to just stop filling in certain spots. I never usually go where the darkest part of my hair is, like, you know what I mean? Like right here is really dark because a lot of my hairs overlap over here. I try to stick with like up here and like the corners just because those are my more bold spots. If I truly ever like overline my eyebrow is over here on this corner and sometimes this corner, just because I don't like the sharp like boxier look. I like a well-rounded curve on my eyebrow. Just wipe under here. You can use a Q-tip. I'm just too lazy to go get one right now. But you just want to wipe down under there. I'm also gonna go in with concealer, but I'm not gonna show you guys that part just because it just takes too long. I like to make my eyebrow hairs like just fall the same direction and like also kind of make them fit the shape that I want. But yeah, that is the brow look. Not a huge difference, but yeah. Oh, she bald.